And today we are going to have a run through review of professional education. So disclaimer. So again, this reviewer is from CBRC. So disclaimers. No, no. I just get this online. So this video is just like a fun review. Okay, let's go. Number one, values are subjective. Your value may not necessarily be my value. What subscribe to this thought? A. The answer is letter D. Progressivist and pragmatist. Again, progressivist and pragmatist. Okay, so next. Okay, number three. Of the following, which is the most powerful source of values like beauty and goodness outside the school system? Again, beauty and goodness outside the school system, that is nature. Number four, of the following, which is the best way parents can support the learning development of their children? Answer, buying materials for projects. Again, buying materials for project. Five, teacher Ernie makes sure that he covers the essential subject content while treating them sufficiency or in depth. What, what guiding principle is he following for lesson preparation? Again, the answer is balance. Balance. 6. Which of the following is a quality of an engaging learning environment most reflective of education for all, or EFA? Again, if we say EFA, that is education for all. Answer, improvise to enhance learning for all types of learners. A, improvise to enhance learning for all types of learning. So this no this is six EFA goals. Number seven, what is the main focus of the school's Mean Success SMS concept for lifelong learning? Again, what is the main focus of the school's Mean Success SMS concept for lifelong learning? The answer is B. Tapping students' potential for success. B. Tapping student potential for success. 8. Of the following intervention, which is directly aimed at responding to the transitional gap between academic achievements and employment. Again, of the following intervention, which is directly aimed at responding to the transitional gap between academic achievements and employment. Answer, C. School networking with business and industry. C. School networking with business and industry. 9. Learning is influenced by social interaction and interpersonal relation. What must a teacher do? A. Make students work collaboratively. A. Make students work collaboratively. 10. Which of the following refers to teamwork among teachers in classroom teaching? The answer is peer teaching. B. Peer teaching. So, kung students, ito yung tinatawag na um, peer. At kung teachers naman, both teachers, team. Pero for this question, ang sagot daw is letter B, peer teaching. Okay. 11. Which Republic Act provides government assistance to students and teachers in private education? The answer is letter C, RA 6728. So the RA 7784, this is Center of Excellence. At CB naman ay RA 7036, of course, licensure examination for teachers. And then RA 6675, okay, that is medicines. So again, sorry, Republic Act that provides government assistance to students and teachers in private education. That is RA 6728. Okay. This is 7784, no? Centers of Excellence of Teachers. Basta 7784 Centers of Excellence. Yes, of course, this is 7836 Philippine Teachers Professionalization. Act of 1994. And then C 6728, the Act providing government assistance to students and teachers in private education and appropriating funds thereof. Hmm. 667, RA 667, that is Generics Act of 1988. So medicine. Okay, 6675, medicine. Next, 12. The constitutional provision on language has the following aims, except to make Filipino the sole medium of instruction. C. To make Filipino the sole medium of instruction. 13. The full or partial integration of capable deaf and blind students in the classroom is stated in which of the following constitutional provision? Letter D. Protecting and promoting the right of all citizens to qualify education. Again, protecting and promoting the right of all citizens to qualify education. 14. Section 5, Article 15 of the Constitution states that academic freedom shall be enjoyed in all institutions of higher learning. Of course, again, ang academic freedom lang sa Section 5, Article 14 is all institution of higher learning. Next, 15. In the preamble of the Code of Ethics of Professional Teachers, all of the following are true about teachers, except let passers. Let passers. No, hindi kasama si let passers. 16. A teacher discovers that a product of certain bottling company were about damage to teeth. Much as he wants to share the products of his research, he could not because of harassment from all sides. Which teacher right is violated? Letter C. Academic freedom. Academic freedom. 17. The main function of philosophy of education is to the main function of philosophy of education too is to define the goals and set the direction for which education is to strive. Letter D. Define the goals and set the direction for which education is to strive. 18. Which of the following abilities is stressed by humanistic education? Which of the following abilities is stressed by humanistic education? That is C. Enjoy the great works of man such as classics. Letter C. Enjoy the great works of man such as the classics. Okay. Number 19. Who among the following emphasize the processes of experience and problem solving? Basta problem solving? John Dewey, Progressivism. Number 20. Who among the following believes that learning requires disciplined attention, regular homework, and respect for legitimate authority? Again, who among the following believes that learning requires disciplined attention, regular homework, and respect for legitimate authority? That is essentialist. Essentialist. 20. Yes. That's perennialism, unchanging, reconstructionism, again, society. Next, 21. A teacher who subscribes to the pragmatic philosophy of education believes that experience should follow learning in her teaching. She therefore experts effort in. Again, a teacher who subscribes to the pragmatic philosophy of education believes that experience should follow learning in her teaching. She therefore exerts effort in providing learners opportunities to apply theories and principles. Letter D. Providing learners opportunities to apply theories and principles. 21. The cultivation of reflective and meditative skills in teaching is an influence of, again, the cultivation of reflective and meditative skills in teaching is an influence of D. Zen Buddhism. D. Zen Buddhism. So Taoism, it is a simple living. If it is a Shintoism, it is a Japan is the best or noble Shintoism. And then of course Confucianism is doing good. Again, if we say cultivation of reflective and meditative skills in teaching is an influence of Zen Buddhism. Zen Buddhism. 23. As a parent and at the same time a teacher, which of the following will you do or will you to do to show your cooperation to a PTA project in your school to be financed with the proceeds of the sales of the school canteen where food prices are little bit higher. So again, as a parent and at the same time a teacher, which of the following will you to do to show your cooperation to a PTA project in your school to be financed with proceeds of the sales and school canteen where food prices are a little bit higher? Letter A. Bring food for you and your children, but always make it a point to buy in school canteen. Letter A. Bring food for you and your children, but always make it a point to buy in school canteen. 24. The teacher would like a file case against the principal because of a sexual harassment. Which of the following measure should a teacher do without violating the relationship of the teacher to her supervisor? 24. The teacher would like to file a case against a principal because of sexual harassment. Which of the following measures should a teacher do without violating the relationship of a teacher to her superiors? A. Present the case before the competent authority and prepare to prove the charge. Letter A. Present the case before the competent authority and prepare to prove the charge. 25. The tendency to emphasize so much on school beautification to the detriment of pupils before a performance illustrates the again, the tendency to emphasize so much on school beautification to the detriment of pupils' performance illustrates the D. Filipinos' love for forma. Forma over substance. So, again, letter D. Filipino love for forma. Forma lang pero walang substance. Again, 26. In what period of a child development is physical growth fastest? Again, in what period of a child development is physical growth fastest? Letter D. Prenatal and early adolescent. Again, D. Prenatal and early adolescent. Again, child development is physical growth fastest. The answer is prenatal and early adolescence. Okay, it's we'll take a picture. 27. The child cannot distinguish abstracts during the sensory motor period of development. Which which of these techniques should a teacher apply to accommodate learning? 27. The child cannot distinguish abstract during the sensory motor period of development. Which of these techniques should a teacher apply to accommodate learning? Letter C. Utilize concrete objects to clarify concept. Letter C. Utilize concrete objects to clarify concept. 28. Freud expounded that there is a period when young boys experience rivalry with their father for their mother's affection. Again, Freud expounded that there is a period when young boys experience rivalry with their father for their mother affection. This is Oedipus complex. Again, Oedipus complex. Di ba, nagsisimula sa letter O. So, ibig sabihin, always think boy. So, boy na ang rivalry niya ay ang kanyang father. No? At sa Electra complex naman, ang mga babaeng bata na may affection sa kanyang father. Okay, again, again, young boys experience rivalry with their father. That is Oedipus complex. O boy. 29. A child refused to obey orders or displays negativism as a development trait. How may you best handle him? Again, a child refused to obey orders or displays negativism as a development trait. How may you best handle him? A. Take every opportunities or take every opportunity to praise him for every positive attitude display. Again, take every opportunity to praise him for every positive attitude display. 30. The, the tendency to imitate elders is very strong in the early childhood stage. Teachers should therefore be very good. Again, the tendency to imitate elders is very strong in the early childhood stage. Teachers should therefore be very good role models. Again, role models. 31. Which of the following may help an adolescent discover his identity? The answer is mm, exploring many different rules in a healthy manner. Exploring many different rules in a healthy manner. Okay, that's my own answer. 32. Social development means the acquisition of the ability to behave in accordance with social expectation. Social expectation. 34. The way a child talks, walks, or manifests gestures may have been learned from models he had been exposed. This explains social. 34. A student collapsed in her social studies class. It was found out that he did not eat her lunch. What principle is shown in the situation? Okay, so again, student collapsed in her social studies class. It was found out that he did not eat her lunch. So what principle is shown in the situation? That is physiological need. Physiological need. Hindi naman psychological kasi hindi naman mind. Sana all. 35. A student strives to work at a given task because of a need. Which of the following situation can make students strive to meet his needs? Letter A. Minimize the unpleasant consequences of his students' involvement. Letter A. Minimize the unpleasant consequences of his students' involvement. 36. Which of these is the most important principle that a teacher should follow in initiating a program of positive reinforcement? Letter A. Make sure the rewards comes immediately after the appropriate behavior. Again, A. Make sure the rewards comes immediately after the appropriate behavior. 37. In which way does heredity affect the development of the learner? Again, in which way does heredity affect the development of the learner? So the answer is mm, by placing limits beyond which the learner cannot develop. That's my answer, letter A, but I'm going to review that one. 39. You are assigned to teach students with varied abilities. You want to teach a more homogeneous grouping. Which type of grouping will tend to benefit your students? Again, you are assigned to teach students with varied abilities. You want to teach a more homogeneous grouping. Which type of grouping will tend to benefit your students? Um, I'm not sure for this answer. I think within class ability grouping. Within class ability grouping. So I will check that after this. Okay, 40. Teaching in the cognitive, psychomotor, and affective domains is based on the concept that the learner is a thinking, feeling, and acting being. Again, if we say teaching in cognitive, psychomotor, and affective, that is letter C. Teaching, feeling, and acting being. Thinking, feeling, and acting being. 41. Which of the following is usually considered the most important factor in a child's observation classroom behavior? That is letter D, cultural background. Cultural background. 42. What kind of literary works are very creative by way of descriptive language and dramatic episodes? Again, what kind of literary works are very creative by way of descriptive language and dramatic episodes? That is fiction novels. Fiction novels, mga imagination. 43. In Grace Godel's skill ladders, so 16 ito, I think 16, which step should come last? Oh my goodness. Last and only when needed. So that is, so again, so si Grace Godel's skills ladder, 16 ito lahat sila. Meron tong yung nominees. Itong BPSC, VMSC, FPD, LPM, Internet. So the answer for this is dictionary. Dictionary. Okay. Oh, ito ay ito, na So this is all nandito pala lahat. Again, so again 11 no, pinakalas using the dictionary. So wala naman doon si internet, si mass media, so si dictionary talaga ang I think ang pinaka last ang sa apat no. Sa apat na ito si dictionary ang pinakamababa. Next, 44. How will you make a child memorize the table of multiplication from the point of view of Pavlov? So sa Ivan Pavlov, no, he is father of um, classical conditioning. Di ba, mga condition. So the answer for this, again, how will you make a child memorize the table of multiplication from the point of view of Pavlov? Classical conditioning. The answer is letter B. Call the child attention every time you recite the table for them. Again, letter B. Call the child attention every time you recite the table for them. Mm. 45. In pre-J stages of cognitive development, what is the preschool age in which a child intelligent is intuitive, able to make mental representation, and close to the use of symbols? That is pre-operational stage, which is a symbolic function ages 2 to 3 years old. This is the ability to represent object and symbol is a thing that represents something else. So sa pre-operational stage nandoon na ang si nandoon si animism, centration, again. So so ang pagkakakasunod no sa stages Gen Paget is number one is a sensory motor, which is the object permanence, followed by the pre-operational stage, which is mga nasa preschoolers, and then followed by the concrete operational stage. No, nandoon na si decentering, reversibility, conservation, serration, and then lastly is a formal operational stage. Nasa mga um, high school na ito na the child are able to think hypothetical, analogical, deductive reasoning. So that's it. 46. In Piaget's concrete operational stage in cognitive development, which refers to the ability to order or arrange things logically on dimensions such as weight, volume, or size. Of course, order or arrange things logically, the answer is ciration. So kahit hindi mo alam kung saan development, no, si ciration or ito lahat, yung hindi mo alam tong tanong na to, but the STEM, no, kung magaling ka talaga mag-analyze, that is, no, makikita mo doon ng order or arrange. Oh, arrange, so citation. Mm-hmm. Again, ciration, no, conservation, ah, classification, dami pa. Next, intermediate concrete operational stage in cognitive development, which refers to the ability of the child to perceive different features of object and situation. Example, toughness in stone, elasticity in rubber. So, ano dito? That is dysentery. Dysentery. So, kanina pa lang no, serration, able to arrange, reversibility, able to reverse, kaya ng bata na i-reverse. For example, kung 5 plus 2, maka-answer ang bata, makasagot ang bata ng 7. Kung, kung gawin mo naman ng 2 minus 7, makakasagot din ang bata. So, yan ang reversibility. Ang conservation naman, ito yung kaya na ng bata na i-analyze kung kahit maliit man ang baso or maluwag ang baso, alam ng bata kung ano ang pinakamarami. So for this, ang sagot dito ay perceive different features of objects and situation. That is dysentery. Dysentery. 48. In Piaget's formal operational stage in cognitive development, which of the following is not among the characteristics of child's thinking ability? So, not characteristics of child thinking ability, that is knowing properties, number, mass, volume, etc. Again, knowing properties, number, mass, volume, etc. is not a characteristic of child's thinking. Because if you say thinking, child's thinking, of course, you are logical thinking, abstract problem solving, or hypothesis making. Okay, ito yun. Ito yung pagkasunod-sunod sa mga stages ni Gen Page, sensory motor, pre-operational stage, concrete operational, and formal operational stage. Next, 49. Following Kohlberg's theory of moral development, what is the moral reasoning for perspective of Joy who allows her classmate to copy her test work so that she will be her friend? That is social approval or in stage 3, level 2 in conventional, no? Again, si Joy ay nasa level of social approval, no? Social approval is stage 3, level 2, conventional. So, may isang question din sa lumabas na kung ang taxi driver daw na isinulot niya yung pera na naiwan sa pasahero, saang moral stage na siya, ang si taxi driver. Siya ay nasa post-conventional. Nasa sa post-conventional. Okay, share ko lang. Ito pala mga step. Step 1, obey rules to avoid punishment. Step 2, um, rewards and to have favors return. Step 3, good boy or okay. Ang step 3, ito yung sagot si Joy kanina, step 3, good boy or good girl morality. You know, pakapiyonti ka, pakapiyapod ko. So, isa win-win-win situation. So, step 4, no comfort to avoid censure of by authorities. 5 is emphasis on individual rights. Okay. Sa step 5, ito yung ang social rules na moral and the stage na to is alam mong tama, tama yung if you think na mali na yung batas, no? Mali ang batas, pero if you think na ay merong batas at if you think na hindi maganda yung batas na sinusunod, you are contradicting sa batas na yun. So, nandyan na kasi basta may explanation dyan. Mm. Step 5. Again, sa step 6 naman, ito yung individual principle of conscience. So, ito yung mga 6 stages of Colbert's theory of moral development. 50. Among the following question, which is not applicable to metacognition. If we say metacognition, ito yung thinking about thinking. And if we say metacognition, meron tayong PME, which is planning, monitoring, at evaluating. Again, among the following question, which is not applicable to metacognition. Hindi applicable, letter D. What factual information have I retained? What factual information have I retained? 51. 51. Among components in the instructional framework for learner stage strategies, which is demonstrated by teacher Jenny who worked together with her students on a skills or task and figure out how to apply the skill. Again, among components in instructional framework for learning strategies, which is demonstrated by teacher Jenny who worked together with her students on a skills or task and figure out how to apply the skill, that is guided practice. Letter B, guided practice. 52. John Dewey say, an ounce of experience is better than a ton of theory. To which does the statement point? There's C, the primacy of experience. The primacy of experience. Basta John Dewey, siya nagsabi ng the ounce of experience is better than a ton of theory. That is letter C. Ibig sabihin, the primacy of experience. The primacy of experience. 53. Someone said experience without theory is blind, but theory without experience is mere intellectual play. This means, so again, someone said that experience without theory is blind, but theory without experience is mere intellectual play. This means that theory and experience must go hand in hand. Again, letter A, theory and experience must go hand in hand. 54. Learning is influenced by social interaction and interpersonal relations. What must a teacher do? Letter A, make students work collaboratively. Letter A, make students work collaboratively. 55. Which of the following refer to teamwork among teachers in classroom teaching? That is letter B, peer teaching. Peer teaching. 56. Of goals of education, which relates to the strengthening of our society's sense of belonging and identity. Society's sense of belonging and identity, that is citizenship. Citizenship. In 57, in the implementation of the curriculum at the classroom level, ineffective strategies are called red. Red. Which of the following belongs to the red flag? Letter D, red, something negative. Letter D, em, overemphasis on drill and practice. Again, letter D, overemphasis on drill and practice. 58. What does the traditional curriculum and mass education lack that the progressive curriculum can deliver? Again, what does the traditional curriculum and mass education lack the progressive curriculum can deliver? Letter C, value for individualization. Letter C, value of individualization. 59. Among unit plan components, to what cluster do models, replicants, charts, graphs, and specimen belong? Again, among unit plan components, to what cluster do models, replicas, charts, graphs, and specimens belong? Letter A, resources and materials. Letter A, resources and materials. 60. Among the following terms in technology, which has the broadest concept of technology for the whole educative system? Answer, letter D, educational technology. Educational technology, the broadest. 61. While there is modernity and progress through the use of technology in instruction, what is the greatest danger along the domain of learning that is posed by technology? Answer, letter C, developing passivity and uncritical minds. Letter C, developing passivity and uncritical minds. 62. What is aroused among viewing learners by dramatic educational films in what is known as cliffhangers? Again, what is aroused among viewing learners by dramatic educational films in what is known as cliffhangers? That is letter D, expectancy. Letter D, expectancy. 63. Of the following effects on learning, what is the effect of assigning various sections of the newspaper and allowing choice depending on the learner's choice? Again, of the following reflects on learning, what is the effect of assigning various sections of the newspaper and allowing choice depending on the learner's choice? Letter C, allowing different interests. Letter C, allowing different interests. 64. Which of the following is an acceptable teacher effectiveness practice? Letter C, classroom routines done early in the school year. Letter C, classroom routines done early in the school year. 65. Which classes began? Teacher Dan asked students in pairs to interview and introduce each other to the class. How will this activity be classified according to Edgar Dale's cone of experience? Ang pinakauna kay Edgar Dale's cone of experience, letter A, purposeful experience. Purposeful experience. 60 ito. Ito yung nasa baba, ang base, direct purposeful experience. Ito yung ang concrete. So, ang pinakataas na, which is ang abstract, which is ang verbal symbol. Direct purposeful, contrived, dramatized demonstration, study, trip, exhibits, video, motion, video, visual symbol, verbal symbol. Ano? Next. How can lesson be made more meaningful by way of learning continuity? How can lesson be made more meaningful by way of learning continuity? The answer is letter D. Relate present with past lesson. Relate present with past lesson. 67. How can new information to students? How can new information to students? Letter B. Relating it to knowledge they already know. Letter B. Relating it to knowledge they already know. 68. Of the following classroom activities, which best relate to child visual learning and development. Again, of the following classroom activities which best relate to child visual learning and development. Letter A, drawing and coloring. Letter A, drawing and coloring. 69. Among cognitive objectives, what refers to the transfer of knowledge from one's to concept to another? Transfer of knowledge from one's concept to another, that is application. Application. 70. Among cognitive levels of thinking, what cognitive level is stressed by the essay question? In the light of the facts presented, what is most likely to happen when? In the light of the facts presented, what is most likely to happen when? Inferring. Inferring. Another word for inferring is conclusion. Conclusion. Um, Next, 71. Of skills teacher should understand and students need to acquire, which is the ability to monitor and modify thinking as well as deal with ambiguous or unclear information without getting frustrated. Without getting frustrated, that is tolerance. Tolerance. 72. Which aspect of multi-intelligence is enhanced by asking students to work on physical model of the atom after a teacher's discussion on the subject of the atom? That is kinesthetical. Kinesthetical. Physical model, no? Or bodily kinesthetic. 73. What is the primary advantage of active learning techniques? About discussion, role play, gaming, instruction. Again, what is the primary advantage of active learning techniques, discussion, role play, gaming? That is student engagement. Student engagement. 74. Of the approaches to classroom management, which involves a variety of techniques and methods of ranging simple rewards to elaborate reinforce, just like praise or rewards. That is behavioral modification approach. Behavioral modification approach. 75. If threat or punishment is necessary on erring students, how should be done? Again, if threat or punishment, ito yung kay B.F. Skinner, is necessary on erring students, how should be done? How should this be done? A. First, a warning before the threat. And first, a warning before the threat. 76. What is being assessed by the rubric that seeks to assess high, moderate, or low imaginative thinking? Imaginative thinking, creativity. 77. Among written categories of assessment method, what instrument did science teacher Julian use when he prepared a list of behavior that make up a certain type of performance in the use of microscope? List of behavior that make up a certain type of performance in the use of microscope, that is performance task. 78. Using extrinsic motivational assessment, what could be the noblest motive in students pursuing a lifetime work and mission for the teaching profession? Again, using extrinsic motivation assessment, what could be the noblest motive in students pursuing a lifetime work and mission for the teaching profession? The answer is letter C, economic security and welfare. Letter C, economic security and welfare. 79. Of the following, which is not characteristic of the response journal that reflects observation and interpretation of the students, such as on reading materials or a field visit? Again, of the following, which is not a characteristics of the response journal that reflects observation and interpretation of the students, such as on reading material or a field visit? That is A. Encourage risk taking. Letter A. Encourage risk taking. 18. What is the criterion reference test designed to determine? What is the criterion reference test designed to determine? A. Performance level on specific skills. Again, letter A, performance level on a specific skill. 81. In interpreting assessment result, which is described when the results are consistent. Consistent, that is reliability. If you say validity, um, measure. Basta test the measure. Something like that. Basta reliability, consistency of the result. Kalimutan ko yung validity. Basta test the measure. Uh, Something like that. Again, consistency, reliability. Reliability results of desired objects. Again, 82. Since teacher Alvin wants his tests be more reliable, which of the following should he adopt? Letter B. Make the test difficult. Make the test difficult. Why? Again, since teacher Alvin wants his tests be more reliable, which of the following should he adopt? So the answer is letter D. Make the test difficult. Make the test difficult. Which measure of central tendency is most reliable when scores are extremely high and low? That is median. Basta may mga extremely high na may score, median. Pero kung wala, most reliable, si mean. 84. What is the characteristic of the following score distribution? That is trimodal. Bakit trimodal? Meron tayong 93, 93, 93, tatlong 93, at ano pa? Mm, tatlong 34, tatlong 34, ano pa? Ay, dalawa lang pala. Trimodal kasi, tatlong 93 at tatlo din ang 34. Okay. 35. What is the normal curve in the grade distribution of students in a class? Again, what is the normal curve in the grade distribution of students in the class? Letter B. Most get average grades, few high and low. Normal curve. Most get average grades, few high and low. Kasi normal lang. May mataas, meron din mababa. Again, what can be said of a student performance in a negatively skewed class score distribution? That is, most students perform well. If you say negatively skewed, that is positive. But, ang performance ng bata ay mataas. Pero kung positively skewed, mababa ang mga scores. Mababa ang performance ng bata. Okay. 37. Which is true when the standard deviation is big? Kung big ang standard deviation, scores are spread out. Scores are spread out. 88. What does it mean to state that the difficulty index of a test item is 1? If you say what difficulty index of 1, that is the test item is extremely easy. Basta 1, easy. Pero kung 0.10, that is very difficult. 89. What does the test mean if the difficulty index is 1? Again, very easy. Very easy. 90. What does it mean? State that the determination index of a test item is negative 0.35. 0.35. Determination index of the test item is 0.35. That is, the answer is more from the lower group get the item correctly. Again, kasi may negative. So, nasa mababa. So, ibig sabihin, ang interpretation dyan is more from the lower group got the item correctly. Again, 0.35. More from the lower group get the item correctly. Oh, nandito pala. 0.0 to 0.25, it's difficult, revise or discard. 0.26 to 0.75, right difficulty, retain. So, ranges 0.26 to 0.75 retain. Pero kung 0.76 above, that is easy. That is revise or discard. Next, 91. What does it mean if a student PT got a 60% percentile rank in the class? Basta 60% percentile rank, ibig sabihin dyan is he scored better than 60% of the class. Again, he scored better than 60% of the class. 92. A positive correlation is to direct relation. To what relation is negative correlation? Inverse relation. Inverse relation. Again, a positive correlation is to direct relation. So kung positive correlation is to direct correlation. So kung negative correlation, hindi siya indirect. 'Di ba? Again, the negative correlation is inverse relation. What is the meaning of negative correlation between amount of practice and number of error in tennis? As amount as the amount of practice increase, the number of errors decrease. Again, as the amount of practice increases, the number of errors decreases. 94. What is the graphic illustration for the relationship between two variables? Again, what is the graphic illustration for the relationship between two variables? That is D, scatter diagram. Letter D is scatter diagram. Scatter diagram. Okay. Two variables. Scatter diagram. Oh, ito yung histogram. Ano ba? Dikit-dikit. Hmm, ano ba ito? Scatter diagram. Ito yung halimbawa ng scatter diagram. Di ba? Two independent. Ano ito? Ito yun? Between two variables. Again. Between two variables. That is a scatter diagram. Number 95. Among standard tests which reveal strength and weaknesses for purposes of placement and formulating an appropriate instruction program. That is, to to test the strength and weaknesses of students. Of course, you are trying to use diagnostic tests. Diagnostic tests. 96. What kind of assessment helps teachers determine gaps in learning a subject matter? That is formative assessment. Formative assessment. Oh, easy lang to. 97. An entering student in college would like to determine which course is best suited for him. Which test is appropriate for this purpose. Of course, aptitude test. Aptitude test. Always remember, ang aptitude test, ito yung to test, no? Sa mga estudyante to entering colleges. No? Kung saan sila bagay, kung bagay sa kanyang idok, mag-idok siya. So, ang use dyan, ang gamit dyan, aptitude test. Aptitude test. 98. Tests should be non-threatening, but which of the following actually threatens students? So, diba, ang gulo yung question pero isa lang yung ibig sabihin dyan. Ano daw sa following, ano daw ang actually threatens students? Of course, surprise quiz. Surprise quiz. Diba? Ayaw natin yung mga surprise quiz. Surprise quiz. Dati, no? Surprise quiz na alam mo na hindi ka nag-study, nag-surprise quiz si teacher. So that is actually threatens students. 99. Which of the following is the major advantage of using arithmetic mean? Letter D. It is more than stable than the median. Arithmetic mean, it is more than stable than the median. Okay. Now, 100. Okay. And preparing classroom tests, which of the following checklist is the last among steps in test preparation? Again, in preparing classroom tests, which of the following checklist is the last among steps in test preparation? So the last is, how are the test results to be reported? How are the test results to be reported? Okay, another, okay, dito sa muna tayo. Okay, that's all.